Hi everyone, hoping you guys are doing awesome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll make couple phone cases with UV resin. So basically, these phone cases are an order which I received from a client. She wanted to preserve her special flowers and hair. You guys can clearly see the condition of flower. This flower has mold, but my client has an emotional connection to it. She sent me this flower and hair of two different persons. She wanted half art on one phone case and half on another phone case with these hair. She herself sent me these phone cases, although these covers are not for resin art. Resin covers are with edges. Guys, edges on covers hold the resin on the surface which prevent resin drip. But these covers are plain covers. First of all, I secure the edges of cover with scotch tape. So let's get start our next process. Here I am making hurt with the help of mold. I'll first pour the UV resin into the mold and then place the hair in the shape of half heart. After setting the hair well in the mold, I will place UV lamp on it so that it hardens well. You can see how well the half heart has formed. Now I am checking by placing half heart on top of the cover. It is very well made. Now it is the turn of flower. I am separating the petals of flower carefully because I want these petals in their original shape. Now I will place the covers on the plain surface and glue the petals one by one on top of the covers with the help of transparent glue so that they do not move from their place. The use of transparent glue is completely optional. You can also do this work with the help of UV resin. I was having difficulty gluing these irregular petals, so I slightly ironed the petals to make them flat. Now I will place the flower petals wherever I want them. To give the cover elegant look, I will add some green leaves and some white baby breath flowers. You can see it's looking very cute. I will also add some golden flakes on it. It's the turn of resin. I will carefully pour some resin on top of the cover and spread the resin over the entire cover with the help of ice cream stick. Spread the resin very carefully so that we secure the button areas of our phones. Now I will put some golden flakes on top of the cover. After adding the flakes with the help of toothpicks, I will spread the flakes to the desired areas. Here I am placing the half heart made by hair on the case. I will place the UV lamp on each area for a short while so that the resin cures from every side. So guys, first layer is completely cured. You can see the luxury and glossy look of the case. There is not any single drip of the resin. Edges are completely fine. Now I will pour the second layer of UV resin. It's our final coat also. So my lovely audience, thanks for watching. Meet you soon with next very amazing video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.